Perched quietly above the forest floor, Pam and Paul's house immerses itself in the canopy of a dense oak grove in the foothills of the Santa Cruz Mountains. Designed by Craig Steely Architecture, this 3,000-square-foot residence takes advantage of its unique setting just west of Silicon Valley. The concept was simple yet bold. Create a glass pavilion that hovers among the branches, supported by only two column-like trunk structures, preserving the surrounding oaks with minimal disruption. Within this elevated position, the home embraces filtered natural light, allowing the dense canopy to protect the interior from harsh direct sun while still delivering a constantly shifting play of shadows. This strategic relationship with nature made it possible to construct a fully glass-walled living environment, a rare opportunity in residential design, and one that roots the home in its landscape with clarity and respect. Accessing the home is an experience in itself. A bridge of steel grating leads visitors from the natural grade to a rooftop meadow planted with native grasses. Here, an observation deck and the zinc-clad garage and entry volume create a quiet threshold. Sunlight is guided deliberately into the foyer, filtering down into the main level and setting the tone for the home's interplay between openness, structure, and natural light. The primary living space extends outward, cantilevered directly into the treetops. This level houses the living room, kitchen, and office, all organized within an open plan. Along the hillside, a long spine of cabinetry hides bedrooms, bathrooms, storage, and service areas, maintaining the visual purity of the main space. Distinct zones are defined not with walls, but by subtly sinking each area into the concrete floor, an architectural gesture that shapes experience through topography. Materials further emphasize each sunken zone. The office is crafted entirely from a single slab of Chinese pistachio, creating a warm, enveloping workspace. The sunken living area centers around a generous composition of Banby Italia's Tufty Time modular sofa, promoting relaxation and immersion within the canopy. In the kitchen and dining area, a 22-foot white quartz counter seamlessly transitions from work surface to dining table, extending the sense of continuity and flow. Above these spaces, linear LED strips are integrated flush into the ceiling, defining zones with strong geometric lines of light that recall the work of artist Dan Flavin. At night, these illuminated forms are visible through the leaves, transforming the home into a glowing installation suspended in the forest. Pam and Paul's house stands as a thoughtful exploration of light, structure, and environment, demonstrating how architecture can float gently within nature while offering a refined and modern living experience.